Hello people, in this lecture we're gonna talk about HTML helpers versus tag helpers. Both HTML helpers, something that I've already explained to you, and tag helpers are tools in ASP.NET Core MVC for generating dynamically HTML in razor views. They serve a similar purpose, making the generation of HTML elements more efficient and reducing manual coding, but they differ in syntax, approach, and usability. Let's first start with HTML helpers. HTML helpers are C# methods in razor views that generate HTML elements dynamically. They were introduced in older versions of ASP.NET MVC and remain available in ASP.NET Core. So if you are migrating from a project in ASP.NET Framework, you can only have HTML helpers in ASP.NET Framework. If you are migrating from ASP.NET MVC older versions, you are already familiar with HTML helpers. It's good for creating complex forms or interacting with strongly typed models. Some disadvantages are the verbose syntax. If you see here, it's a really verbose syntax. Lacks the clean HTML-like structure of razor tag helpers. It's not like HTML. You'll see that tag helpers is pure HTML with just some differences. This syntax is kind of awkward if you are not familiar with HTML helpers. Limited intelligence support compared to tag helpers. Tag helpers are more intelligence support. Tag helpers. Tag helpers are a new feature in ASP.NET Core that look like a regular HTML attributes, but are powered by Razor syntax. They provide a more HTML-friendly approach, dynamically generating elements. If you see here, it's like just pure HTML with this ASP keyword here. Advantages: it's a cleaner and more HTML-like syntax. Excellent IntelliSense support in Visual Studio and other IDEs. Easier to understand compared to this syntax. Some disadvantages are new developers might need time to learn about all the ASP attributes. Limited customization compared to creating custom HTML helpers. To create a custom HTML helpers is so easy. If you want to create like a date picker HTML helper, it's kind of easy. But with tag helpers, it's kind of more tricky. So this is enough. In the next lecture, we're gonna talk about the differences between them in code. So see you again in the next lecture.